Hey guys, so it is 1 a.m. on the nose, and I'm going to try, I already opened the box. I'm going to try one of these. I bought them a while ago. I have the peanut butter ones and the almond butter ones. I would always see them at Sam's. They were like a huge box. I'm like, I'm not going to buy a big, huge box until I at least try them. So I bought a small box, and I was just looking at it like right before I filmed. And don't let the granola part fool you, because one pouch, there's 5 pouches in a box. One pouch is 200 calories, 12 grams of fat, 4 saturated fat, 20 carbs, 9 sugars, and then 3 fiber and 5 protein. So, don't be fooled. It is not healthy. I mean, it's high in calories and high in fat. But whatever. I bought them. Let's just try them. I just kind of want something sweet. So here's what they look like in the packs. There's 5 packs. I've been seeing them at Sam's forever. Okay, so there's 2 little, like eyeballs. There's 2 little granola cups and a pouch. So they look like this. So it looks like, it almost looks like a chocolate bottom with a granola cup with peanut butter filling with granola on top. Is that chocolate? Oh, duh, peanut butter chocolate. Jeez. Okay, yeah, it's late and I'm tired. Well, they're not gross. But they're not as good as I thought they'd be. You taste like a hint of chocolate. You only taste like a hint of peanut butter, and you just mainly taste granola. It's good. I think that's chopped peanuts on top. It says, we paired the decadence of peanut butter with the wholesome goodness of whole grain oats and nuts to create a new kind of indulgence. Crunchy, creamy, delicious. It actually is really good. I think 2 in a pouch is perfect because I could not eat more than 2 at one time. Because even though they don't have like a strong peanut butter or a strong chocolate flavor, they're pretty rich. I'm so tired. Like, I'm uploading a 25-minute video. It's about halfway done. And I kind of wanted a snack. Pretty good size. So I decided it was perfect time to try them. And now I can take the box downstairs. I bet Jay would like them. He probably put this whole thing in his mouth like for one bite. Now baby hairs are tickling my neck. These are actually very good. I would definitely buy them again. I wouldn't eat them all the time, We feel like a little pick-me-up, a little treat. Probably not the best thing to eat right before bed either. So it can just stick in all the places you don't want it. But for a little snack, or keep it in your car, or in your purse, or a diaper bag. A snack on the go. I mean, 5 grams of protein is decent. And 3 grams of fiber. I mean, it'd be a good snack if you're not going to get to eat for a while, but you're hungry. I just opened this onesie today. Well, tonight, when we got home from dinner. I filmed like a lot of videos tonight, so. But Adria's not here, the baby's in bed. Well, she's been in bed for hours. It's 1:06 a.m. And I just had videos to catch up, so. They're all in my onesie, but that's okay. I'm so comfy. They're really good. I can't wait to try the almond butter ones now. It will not be today. And so these are pretty rich. I honestly bought these a couple months ago. And the date on them is June 22nd. And it's only, what is today, March 23rd, March 24th? So they lasted a while. I don't think I would ever buy the huge box from Sam's, because I wouldn't eat them that frequently, but they're good. I give them 2 thumbs up. I said I would definitely buy them again. But I would save them for like a little treat, not a healthy snack, just a treat. Or like a in-between meals snack, because it's really filling. Yeah. Delicious. Let me know if you've tried the almond butter ones, because I need to try those next. And see what they taste like. I want to know if anybody else has had them, what they think of them. Or if you've had both, which one do you like better? Or if you think you want to go try them now, let me know that too. Yeah, I would definitely buy them. Excuse me. I would definitely buy them again. A guilty little pleasure snack. Ooh, they have box tops on them. Yay, I never have stuff with box tops on. I'm like, what? Adria's school collects them. I'm always like, what the heck do I buy? I mean, what do you have to buy to get them? Because nothing I buy has box tops, but my little granola cups do. So yeah, I would definitely rebuy them. Pretty freaking good. Kind of rich, but it's like the perfect amount of granola, chocolate, peanut butter. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. I do a lot of tasting like new foods, new to me foods, and just ASMR eating shows and mukbang eating shows. So yeah, if you like watching people eat or like watching people try new foods or want to hear about new foods, new snack foods, yeah, make sure you subscribe because I like do a variety on the channel. If you look back on my main page on here and look at like my last 10 videos, they're probably all different because I like a wide variety of things. I don't just stick to one simple thing. I like a wide variety of things, and these were pretty good. And if you really want to know when I have a video coming up or posted, click that little notification bell and then you'll be actually notified every time I upload a video instead of just having to check back at my channel to find out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up like I give these a thumbs up. And yeah, I'm going to bed. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.